NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft, the furthest traveling spacecraft ever launched, continues its breathtaking journey through the cosmos. For nearly 50 years, Voyager 1 has been sending back crucial information from the farthest reaches of the universe, significantly advancing our understanding of the cosmos. However, recent transmissions from this remarkable spacecraft have presented perplexing signals that have left the entire space community in a state of awe and bewilderment. These signals have sparked debates about whether they are the result of a technical glitch or if they could be indicative of something far more extraordinary, such as extraterrestrial activity. Join us as we delve deeper into the mysteries surrounding these remarkable transmissions and uncover what might be lurking in the depths of space. Humanity's fascination with the mysteries beyond our planet has been a driving force in space exploration since its inception. This insatiable curiosity led to the historic launch of missions like Explorer 1 and Explorer 2, which were among the most ambitious space endeavors of their time. The launch of Explorer 2 from NASA's Kennedy Space Center on August 21, 1977, marked the beginning of a new era in space exploration. Just 14 days later, on September 5, Explorer 1 followed, setting the stage for an unprecedented journey. These twin spacecraft, each weighing approximately 720 kilograms, roughly equivalent to a small car, were launched during a rare alignment of the outer planets, which played a crucial role in their trajectories and mission outcomes. Throughout their remarkable odyssey, these spacecraft traveled in divergent directions and at varying speeds. A pivotal moment occurred on December 15, 1977, when Explorer 1 surpassed its twin due to differences in their paths. Since then, Voyager 1 has emerged as a vital asset, providing invaluable information that has revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos and its myriad phenomena. Before we dive into Voyager 1's latest astonishing discovery, which has captured the attention of the entire space community, let's revisit some of its most remarkable achievements. Voyager 1's groundbreaking discoveries. In 1978, during its Jovian imaging mission, Voyager 1 was positioned about 265 million kilometers from Earth. By January 1979, it had embarked on an exceptional 100-hour mission, capturing a mesmerizing time-lapse film of Jupiter's rotation. This series of 3,750 images offered unprecedented views of Jupiter's dynamic atmosphere and its complex features. The spacecraft's findings included the discovery of a small ring around Jupiter and 2 previously unknown moons, greatly expanding our knowledge of the gas giant's intricate system. To ensure the spacecraft's safe passage and avoid potential collisions with Titan, one of Saturn's moons, corrective maneuvers were executed. After the successful Saturn mission, researchers decided to conclude the planetary missions of both Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. However, the spacecraft was sent on a new trajectory beyond the confines of our solar system, traveling at an astonishing speed of 325 million kilometers per year. In January 1990, the interstellar mission began with Voyager 1 continuing its celestial journey. During this period, Voyager 1 made significant discoveries, including the identification of 4 additional moons, Mimas, Enceladus, Tethys, and Rhea, and captured some of the most iconic images ever taken of our solar system. On February 14, 1990, Voyager 1, positioned approximately 6 billion kilometers from the Sun, embarked on a visual excursion known as the Family Portrait, capturing stunning images of the solar system's planets. This collection of 60 images added to Voyager 1's impressive portfolio, which already included 67 photos taken during its encounter with Neptune. Voyager 2's milestones. Voyager 2 also achieved remarkable milestones during its mission. As it approached Neptune, it recorded wind speeds exceeding 13,100 meters per second, the fastest winds ever observed in our solar system. This achievement provided invaluable insights into Neptune's distant atmosphere and its largest moon, Triton. Triton's surface temperature drops to a frigid -391 degrees Fahrenheit, making it one of the coldest places in our solar system. Triton also exhibited unique features, including ice volcanoes that erupted nitrogen gas and propelled frozen particles 5 kilometers into its hazy atmosphere. These extraordinary findings have deepened our understanding of the diverse and complex nature of celestial objects in the outermost regions of our solar system. The Voyager missions have delivered profound and transformative results. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 have revealed that Jupiter and Saturn's moons, once thought to be heavily scarred and inactive, are actually brimming with geological activity. Voyager 2, in particular, achieved several historic milestones, including being the first spacecraft to fly past Uranus and Neptune. It remains the only spacecraft to have done so. NASA employed various strategies to extend the operational lifespan of these ambitious spacecraft, including shutting down non-essential heaters and systems to conserve energy. The mission is expected to conclude in 2030, marking a moment of pride and a touch of melancholy for the scientists and engineers who have dedicated themselves to this extraordinary endeavor. Engineering marvels and technological feats. The design of Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 was a marvel of engineering. These spacecraft were designed as stable platforms, rotating at a rate more than 15 times slower than a clock's hour hand. This design choice reduced visual blurring as the spacecraft traversed the vast expanse of space. Even before reaching the outer planets, the spacecraft began transmitting images of Jupiter, revealing its swirling clouds and iconic features. The Great Red Spot, a massive storm on Jupiter, captivated audiences at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. However, the discovery of active volcanoes on Jupiter's moon Io garnered the most attention. The spacecraft's instruments detected unusual signals from Io, which were confirmed by unique images showing towering volcanic plumes and a surface scarred by eruptions. One of Io's most prominent volcanoes erupted with a force 10 times greater than that of Mount St. Helens, covering an area nearly the size of France. As the spacecraft continued their journey, their cameras were eventually turned off to conserve power and memory before they ventured into interstellar space. Notably, the images they captured did not include Mercury and Mars for various reasons. The future of space exploration. Besides the Voyager probes, NASA has launched other notable spacecraft, including Voyager 10, Voyager 11, and New Horizons. On February 17, 1998, Voyager 10 surpassed Voyager 11, becoming the spacecraft farthest from Earth. Despite the absence of other space probes to witness it, Voyager 1 continued its solo journey for an additional 14 years before entering the interstellar environment on August 25, 2012. The success of the Voyager missions was made possible through various innovative techniques, with gravity assist maneuvers standing out as particularly brilliant. These maneuvers were crucial for propelling the spacecraft to their distant destinations and collecting valuable data. As we reflect on the incredible journey of these trailblazing spacecraft and the wealth of knowledge they have provided, we eagerly await further updates on the investigation into Voyager 1's recent anomalies. Both Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 continue their missions beyond earthly bounds, and their accomplishments have greatly enriched our understanding of the universe. The Voyager missions have pushed the boundaries of human knowledge and exploration, highlighting the boundless potential of space discovery. As we await more information about Voyager 1's latest signals, its remarkable journey remains a source of inspiration and fascination for scientists and space enthusiasts alike. The enigma of Voyager 1's signals. As scientists at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, analyzed Voyager 1's latest transmissions, they encountered an anomaly unlike anything observed before. The signals, while structured, contained irregular data patterns that did not align with the spacecraft's usual telemetry reports. Some speculated that these distortions could be the result of aging hardware or interference from cosmic radiation. However, others proposed a more astonishing theory, one that suggested Voyager 1 might have detected something unprecedented in interstellar space. In an effort to decode the transmissions, NASA engineers meticulously examined the spacecraft's systems. They ruled out known malfunctions and communication errors, leading to an even more perplexing question. Was Voyager 1 relaying signals from an external source? A mysterious encounter. On March 15, 2025, JPL received another transmission from Voyager 1. This time, the data appeared to contain a series of repeating pulses, spaced in a precise mathematical sequence. Unlike random cosmic noise, these pulses followed a structured pattern, something that, in scientific terms, could indicate intelligent origin. Excitement and skepticism rippled through the scientific community. Could it be a distant, natural cosmic phenomenon? A signal bouncing off interstellar plasma? Or, the most astonishing possibility of all, was Voyager 1 receiving a transmission from an unknown civilization? NASA assembled an emergency panel of astrophysicists, linguists, and artificial intelligence experts to analyze the patterns. Over the following weeks, they attempted to translate the data, comparing it to known mathematical constants and signal structures used in previous SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, research. A message from the stars? After weeks of intense analysis, scientists detected something truly remarkable. Embedded within the repeating pulses was a sequence resembling the Fibonacci series, one of the most fundamental mathematical patterns found in nature. Even more astonishing, the transmission contained variations that, when visualized, resembled geometric symbols, possibly a form of interstellar communication. The breakthrough sent shock waves through the space community. If this was an artificially generated signal, it could be the first contact humanity has ever received from an intelligent civilization beyond Earth. Preparing for the unknown. With Voyager 1 now over 24 billion kilometers from Earth, responding to the transmission posed an enormous challenge. Any message sent back would take nearly 22 hours to reach the spacecraft, and another 22 hours for a response. NASA debated whether to transmit a response at all, as the implications of first contact were both exhilarating and daunting. International space agencies, including ESA, Roscosmos, and CNSA, joined the discussion. The United Nations convened an emergency session to discuss the ethical and scientific ramifications. If this was a genuine extraterrestrial signal, how should humanity respond? What if it was a warning? The next step. As the world held its breath, Voyager 1 continued to transmit additional data. The signals evolved, revealing even more complex patterns, some resembling star charts, others appearing to depict unknown celestial structures. NASA prepared a carefully crafted response, using the same principles embedded in the Voyager Golden Record: universal mathematical constants, images of Earth, and a binary-coded greeting. On April 5, 2025, a carefully encoded transmission was sent toward Voyager 1, aimed at the source of the mysterious signal. And then, the wait began. Would Voyager 1 receive a reply? Or had humanity merely stumbled upon an ancient beacon, a relic of an unknown cosmic civilization long gone? As scientists, philosophers, and dreamers gazed up at the night sky, one thing was certain: humanity was on the precipice of an unprecedented discovery, one that could change our understanding of the universe forever. A response from the unknown. Days turned into weeks as NASA's Deep Space Network meticulously monitored Voyager 1's transmissions. The world watched in anticipation, waiting for any sign that the spacecraft had received and understood Earth's message. Then, on April 28, 2025, something extraordinary happened. A new signal arrived, stronger, clearer, and more deliberate. Unlike the previous transmissions, this one contained a distinct structure, as if an intelligence was now responding. Scientists quickly worked to decode it, and what they found sent chills through the entire team. The signal carried a sequence of symbols, some resembling Voyager's own Golden Record diagrams, but others entirely unfamiliar. Among them, one stood out, a pattern eerily similar to the depiction of Voyager 1 itself, including its long antenna and golden disk. It was as if something, or someone, had recognized the spacecraft. The galactic echo. The implications were staggering. The structured response suggested not only recognition but also a deliberate attempt at communication. The signal also contained coordinates, specific points that, when mapped, pointed toward a region beyond the heliopause, farther than any human-made object had ever reached. Scientists debated what this meant. Could Voyager 1 have inadvertently wandered into a vast interstellar network? Was it being guided toward something unknown? Or had it simply been detected by an ancient automated system, a cosmic beacon placed by a long-extinct civilization? NASA prepared to send another transmission. This time, they included additional mathematical constants, DNA sequences, and an image of the solar system. The message was designed to indicate that Earth was the point of origin for Voyager 1. The world held its breath as the response was transmitted. A journey into the abyss. Then, something unexpected occurred. Voyager 1's trajectory, previously steady for decades, began to shift. Telemetry data showed an unexplainable deviation in its course, as if it were being nudged by an unseen force. The spacecraft was no longer simply drifting, it was being pulled toward something. NASA engineers scrambled to regain control, sending commands to adjust Voyager's thrusters. But no response came. Voyager 1 was still transmitting data, but it was no longer acknowledging commands from Earth. And then, silence. On May 5, 2025, Voyager 1's signal cut off completely. The spacecraft, which had faithfully sent information for nearly 50 years, had vanished into the void. The search for answers. Panic set in among the space community. Was this a technical failure, or had Voyager 1 truly been intercepted by something beyond human comprehension? Scientists and radio telescopes around the world scanned the coordinates from the last transmission, searching for any trace of the missing probe. Days passed. Then weeks. And then, on June 1, 2025, a faint transmission emerged. But it wasn't coming from where Voyager 1 should have been. It was originating from deep within the unexplored regions of interstellar space, farther than the probe should have been able to travel in such a short time.